Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do a comparison between some cbeauty makeup brands that I have with some kbeauty makeup brands that I have. So I will be comparing two palettes that have similar colors. So for the kbeauty brand it's going to be Risky Beauty, and for the cbeauty brand it's going to be qianyan. And then I will be comparing some lippies, so lip glosses. So for the kbeauty brand it's still going to be Risky Beauty, and for the cbeauty brand it's going to be Girlcult. And at the end of this video I wanted to show you how I did my lips using cbeauty makeup products. So I hope you will enjoy the video, guys. So for the palettes, starting with the Risky Beauty one, it's a silver metallic one, very beautiful, and the colors are like that. I actually have two. If you want to see the other one, I'm quickly going to show you how it is. So it's like that. And for the qianyan palette, it's the number 9. It's like that for the colors. And the shimmer right here, it's purpley and it's extremely similar to the one that is no, here. I'm gonna do some swatches so you can see the difference in the pigmentation. So starting with this one. So it's like that. So this is for the qianyan palette, and then in the Risky Beauty one I'm gonna do this one. So I don't know if you can see, but it's less creamy. See? Well, that's so... What? That is so... even... Okay, that is so fucking different. Okay guys, wait a minute. I'm gonna rub it again. What? Okay. Okay, so see, it's so different. Like, okay, it's very purpley, but it's really not the same. This one is way creamier than this one, and it reflects way more the light, and it's darker too. So it depends on what you like more. Okay, so actually I'm gonna do, because I have this color right here, feels quite similar to my Noiricorn. So it's a cbeauty brand, this color. It's a lavender, muted lavender. Let's see how it is. So it's like that. It's really beautiful. It's what I have on my eyes. See how... Okay, so guys, okay, this one, the texture is the same as the Risky Beauty palette shimmers, but it's way more pigmented, and that's the feeling I have with Chinese beauty brands. They're way more pigmented than the kbeauty ones. And for the Risky Beauty, I'm gonna do this one. I feel like I have to... Okay, we are gonna see how it's... See, like... Okay, I'm going to go back. Yeah, it's still not reflecting as much as this one and this one. That's crazy. Yeah, if you love makeup that is more subtle and more sheer, then kbeauty is more for you. But if you love a more saturated look, or deep or whatever, more colorful, then you should go to the cbeauty makeup brands, because I mean, and these two are they have twice the rubbing thing as those two, so yeah. Okay, so now let's compare some lippies. So I'm gonna start with these two. So this one is from the Chinese brand Girlcult, and this one is from qianyan, which is one, I mean, you can see I really loved it. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. So I'm just going to show you the difference between both of them, and I'm gonna swatch on my hand and then show you side by side on my lips. Okay, I neutralized the lips, because if not, you're not gonna see anything. So I'm gonna start with my favorite one, which is the qianyan one. So the doe, it's look like this. Okay, so for the qianyan one, it looks like that. I mean, that's gorgeous. This is, for me, it's the perfect amount of color. Like, when you don't have a lot of makeup, you can put it on, and when you have a lot of makeup, you can put it on as well. I mean, that's such a beautiful color. And then the Girlcult one. So it's like this. The color is very similar, but you're gonna see that it's very different when on the lips. So, okay, you see, it's really, the color is very similar, it's just more saturated. Oh gosh, I don't see anything. Okay, so extremely different, as you can see. And I love how this one reflects the light. So even though it's the same color, you have way more pigment in the Girlcult one than the qianyan one. So it's way darker. This one is sheer, and you can just add it on top of any lipstick you have. So that's why I really love the qianyan one. This one feels fresher on the lips. This one feels more like maybe between a gloss and a lip balm. I don't know. Maybe don't listen to what I'm saying. But yeah, so if you want a dark one, then go with the Girlcult one. And if you want a more clear gloss, then go with the qianyan one. For the lip gloss part, I feel like qianyan wins this part for me, but I mean, what do you guys think? Dark or less dark? Yeah. Okay, now guys, for the last part of this video, I'm just gonna show you how I did my lip combo before. So I'm just gonna, and so it's a mix. I said in the introduction that it was with cbeauty products, but it's actually a mix of kbeauty and cbeauty. I forgot, sorry, Okay, I took the lippies off. Okay, so I'm just going to outline my lips with my MAC Greige. So on my first video I already show you a lip combo, and I said that I used the MAC Greige because I have a natural lip outline, and it's just the same color as my lip outline, but in a more deep and yeah, more deep and saturated color. So just go with something that is more deep than your lip color and cool tone. Okay, so I quickly outlined my lips, and next I take my Nuse mousse lipstick, either in the shade 04, which is Mauve Rain, I think, either in the shade 06, which is called Plum Me. What I love about Nuse is that it's a mix of skincare and makeup, so if you have dry lips, don't hesitate to put this on. It's very, very hydrating and very, very nice to wear. So once you go back, so it's like that, and then I'm gonna pick my girlcult one. I don't know which shade is it, but look at that. I mean, and it's so nice to wear. It's not like, because it's full of shimmers, but you can't feel anything. It's just the consistency of a regular lip gloss, and it's so nice. So yeah, you can put two. I put two because I want you guys to see, but it's, yeah, and voila. I love doing this. It's not an obligation to go with the lip liner before, it's just what I do. But yeah, that's one of my first lip combos I was proud of. It's so easy to play with lip products. You don't have to have any makeup knowledge. Just go and try, and if it doesn't work, you just wipe it off. But yeah, guys, if you want to see my the noir cone on my eyes. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you try or buy any products that I mentioned, don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section. And also if you have any questions or whatever. And I will see you this Sunday for my oily skincare routine using only kbeauty products, morning and nighttime routine. So yeah, bye guys, take care, bye.